Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, in this video we will press 1, 2, 3. Let's learn colors name. Yellow color, this is purple color. Light green color, orange color, pink color, black color, blue color, sky blue color, violet color, red color, green color and brown color. Kids, we are tracing numbers. This is number 1, number 2, this is number 3. Kids, we are tracing number 4. This is number 5. Now we are tracing number 6. This is number 7. 8. This is number 9. And 1, 0, 10. Now kids, we are tracing 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And this is number 2, 0, 20. Kids, read again. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.